Hey baby girl, what you eating? I'm having pasta fazool, Mom. I'm a little concerned that I've got so many cameras on me at the same time. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
How is that freaking blurry?
Look at her own laugh track in the background. Dillini are a little challenging to pick up.
Alright, this is retarded. Why is it doing this?
Yummy! More? More?
All of a sudden I'm not being happy with this camera. I got one good picture.
This is doing pretty well. We like the motion. Two-handed eater. Yummy, yummy. Look, it's just one hand and the other hand.